LuckyLunaTV, let's go.
50 likes. Go and smash the like button. 19 more. Just 19 more. 7 or 8, maybe? Oh, 8! Nice! 500x! Woo, woo. Balance back!
3 hours later.
What other job requires you to observe things? Like a scientist, maybe, off sync? I think you would be great because you're observing a lot of things. Something proper with the way you enjoy observing. And 400x, let's go! Woo! Let's do this! It is very good, very nice. Very good. Ooh, 35! Holy guacamole. Oh, okay, still 100x, but oh, just next door. Oh, I was like, what would Toby choose? And I was like, green. Let's go green. Probably. Oh, come on, number 8. Oh, number 8. Come on. Ooh, come on. Number 8, number 8, number 8. One time. One time. Number 8. Number... Ah!
600 times.
Number 8! Woo! Let's go! Number 8! Yes! Woo! I called the 600x. Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. Woo! Look at the Balencia! Woo! 2K!
Thanks for watching, we got